Good morning, good morning, good morning, man. Got my rental car back there, man. About to walk in and get my complimentary Starbucks, man. But let me walk into the lobby, man, so I can show you guys what's up. See how this hotel is, man. So that over there is like the surf shop. You got this shark tank right there, man. Look at this. This is what they got in the lobby. Sharks swimming by. Big black tip reef sharks. They got one sitting there too. Look at that. Got a moray eel on there. Nasty. And she got two sitting right there. It's crazy, man. Got Serena playing on the screen. Nice little wall. What's that, water wall, whatever they call it? Let me go ahead and get my Starbucks real quick. Yeah, man, so got out a little bit early today because actually the guy wasn't there. So we're gonna have to link up tomorrow, man. So I'm gonna get back into this Camaro thing. What do you guys think about this, man? You guys think I should? Actually, I'm not gonna get one. But what do you guys think about these Camaros? I mean, obviously this is the, you know, base model Camaro, nothing crazy. This is I didn't rent an SS before, man. I'm gonna tell you, man, you know, a lot of people, for some reason, a lot of people are like, oh, I'm a Mopar guy, I'm a Ford guy, I'm a Chevy guy. I like all cars, man. And a lot of people don't like this design for whatever reason, but I think this design is pretty dope. I mean, obviously not this particular one, but when you get into them SS's and the ZL1s and all that, man, I think they actually look pretty dope. I like them, man. But let's check out this car over here. Check out this Challenger, man. When I was coming in, seeing this little Scat Pack over here. I don't know whose car this is, but I was like, okay, a little bit dirty, but you know, not too bad, man. You got a lot of stuff in here. What's that? Pretty nice, man. You got the red interior. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. A little bit. You got the red interior. It's actually pretty nice, man. Oh, you got this from Lakeland. Look at that. Lakeland Chrysler Dodge. Man, you went all the way to Lakeland to get this? That's literally probably about a good hour and a half from here. That's actually where I got my car too. Yeah, man. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nope, you guys can't see that. But it does have the red interior. Looks like it might be sponsored by a few people. Pretty dope, man. But like I said, I don't know who this guy is, man. So if you watch my videos, man, make sure you hit me up. I'd like to check that thing out in a little bit more detail. But let's get back to this Camaro. As you guys can see, man, it is drop top. On this key fob, it says like, it seems like you could go ahead and do it from the key fob. So let's see if it works. Let's see. Does it have to be on? I don't know. Ain't nothing happening. I don't know. Maybe I gotta turn it on first. I don't know, man. Remote start ain't working. Actually, let me see if I hold it down. Ah, there it goes. Okay, so that worked. Hold it down. Let me see if I can push this to see if that happens. Nothing, still. Oh, nothing's happening with that, man, but I can get in the car. Let's see if we drop this top, man. Where's it at? Where's it at? Parking, mode, traction control. Oh, of course, it'll be up here. If you guys can see that, man. There you go, right there. Still ain't working. Huh. What I gotta do, man, is something. There's always something with these things. The thing about convertibles, man, is that you always gotta have alright, so you know what? A lot of times when that ain't working, oh, you know what? Let me see that. Alright, so I actually turned it on. Okay, so that's what it is. So I gotta go into the trunk. And you guys see there should be like a little all right, I'm back. So I actually had to I had to YouTube this, man, because I was like, man, what is going on? So because it said to extend the cargo shade, right? So normally when you go back here, if you go back here, right, there's normally like something back up here, whatever that you can, you know, up here, whatever that you can like extend out, hook it up to these things, and then that'll be it. So I guess with this though is, this is the cargo shade here. So this, you put up there, put the other one like so, put that one there, and then now we should be in business. So let's see if I could actually do it through the fob. Let's see. And nope. Ain't nothing happening. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Let's try to turn it off and see if it can do it while it's off. All right, so the car is off. Now let's see. Nope. Lock the car. Holding it down. Nope. Oh, there you go. Unlock the car. And boom, look at that. Woo! Why you do it to him like that, fat cat? Don't do it to him like that. Not in your rental car. Come on, man. Not in your rental car. Why you got your rental car like that, dropping the top on a fat cat? Come on, man. Don't do it to him. There you go, man. Figured it out, finally, eventually. So you gotta have the key unlocked. So you gotta do the shade in the back. You know, if you want to do it from the key fob, obviously you could do it in the car like I showed you guys in the little button. Or from here, you gotta unlock the car, and then you hit that button, hold it down, and then it drops the top, man. So look at that. Drop top Camaro, man, for my rental car for the week, man. How about that? I like them apples. Just living, man, just living, chilling, man, in the drop top Camaro. Like I said, life is good, man, and life is what you make it. On top of that, man, you know what I'm saying, even if I wasn't, you know, in this Camaro, in this whatever, or by the beach, because I'm actually by the beach right now, you know what I'm saying, still, man, life is what you make it, man, at the end of the day. Always got to think positive, always got to think, you know what I'm saying. Let me turn down this. Turn down that AC a little bit, because you know I got the AC blowing with the top off, you know. I'm in the drop with the AC on, like my man Jay-Z said. Make sure I stay cool. But anyway, man, but at the end of the day, man, like I said, life is what you make it, man. Life is, you just gotta be positive, man, no matter what. No matter what you do, no matter what happens in your life, man, take everything with a grain of salt and just keep moving, man. At the end of the day, like I told you guys, my video just dropped yesterday. Well, actually, I don't know if I'm gonna post this today or tonight. So I might have just dropped. As you guys seen in my video, it just dropped, man. Like I said, you gotta keep moving, man. Take your bumps, take your bruises, man. Just keep going. Regardless, it doesn't matter, man. People only care as you know, as long as you're giving them something at the end of the day. You know, but most people, man, you could stop, drop, be buried tomorrow, man. At the end of the day, nobody's really gonna, you know what I'm saying? And nobody's really gonna care, man. So you just gotta do for you, man. You gotta keep going. Look out for your family, you know what I'm saying? Your immediate family, I should say. And that's it, man. Keep moving. I mean, like, you know, your wife, your kids, your husband, or whatever. You know, look out for them, man. Make sure they're straight. And after that, man, keep going. You know, show love. People that show you love at the end of the day. And that's it, man. If people don't show you love, I don't mean you hate them, man. You just, you know, now you know not. You know what I'm saying? Not to. Look at that big surfboard people. People back there with their surfboards about to hit the beach. But yeah, man, people don't show you love, man. That don't mean you gotta hate them, man. You don't gotta hate on them. Nothing like that, man. It just means that you know not to surround yourself with them, man. That's it. You know? But yeah, man. It's a nice day in Florida. I mean, by the way, man, I am in Cocoa Beach, Florida, man, in Melbourne. So if you are in Melbourne, man, let me know. I'll be here for a couple of days, for the next maybe 2 days or so. So if you are in Melbourne, man, let me know, man. Especially if you got a car. Actually, I did see a dope Charger pass by me a little bit earlier, man. I couldn't get it on film, but I did see a dope Charger, man. So if you are in Melbourne, man, and you watch my videos, man, make sure you hit me up on my IG. Hit me up in the DMs, man, and that way, you know, I can, what's going on, man? He got a rubber chicken hanging from his neck on, on his thing, man. That dude in that Jeep right there got a rubber chicken hanging from the rear view mirror from his neck. But anyway, man, so yeah, so if you in Melbourne, man, in the Cocoa Beach area, whatever, Merritt Island area, and you got a dope whip, man, especially, man, hit me up, man, so we can do a feature on that thing, man, because I'll be out here for a couple of days, so definitely hit me up. But anyway, man, again, man, I'm just out here living. Luckily, I guess, you know, the guy wasn't there today, so I couldn't do what I had to do. But that's okay, we're gonna meet up tomorrow. Go in there, do what I gotta do, man. Make sure I do my job. Make sure I do it right, to the best of my abilities. You know what I'm saying? And that's it, man. We keep it moving. But yeah, man, let me tell you guys a little bit about this Camaro, though, man. So, look at this thing, man. Look at the way I'm fitting in here. You know, knees and everything is pretty cool. It's not the biggest car in the world, but it's definitely not the smallest either, man. You know, passenger side is pretty decent. The back, I would say that though, man. The back, literally the back seat is pretty much non-existent, man. So, if you got people that's riding in the back of this thing, I don't know how they're gonna do it because it's pretty much non-existent. I mean, this is the convertible, but I don't think it's any better in the coupe. In the regular coupe, you know, in the hardtop, I highly doubt it. So, but yeah, man, it's pretty cool, man. Like I said, and you know, as far as the visibility and everything else, man, in the regular hardtop, it does get some getting used to. Like I said, I've rented an SS before. It does take some getting used to, but obviously with the convertible, man, I mean, that takes away all of that, all the problems. Yeah, so you can have the convertible, man. You be straight at the end of the day. So yeah, man, but it's cool. Like I said, I like it. Would I buy a Camaro? I don't know, man. I can't really say that for sure. But like I said, I do like the SS and I do like the ZL1 especially, man. So we'll see though. Alright, man, that is it, man. I am back at the hotel, so probably gonna sit here and relax a little bit, probably edit this video actually. You know, then probably go get something to eat a little bit later, man. But as for right now, man, I'm just gonna go back to the room, hang out for a little bit, chill, like I said, probably, you know, watch the TV, edit this video, so on and so forth, man. Always something to do, right? Anyway, man, so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, man. Look, you know, see how I'm riding around for the week in this drop top Camaro, you know, cool, man. Like I said, man, life is good, man. At the end of the day, like I said, and it is, ultimately, it is what you make it anyway. There's always something good out of everything, man. No matter what happens, bumps and bruises, this and that, man. There's always something good, or at least a lesson that you can get out of it. Something, man. So, man, just remember that. At the end of the day, strive for better, man. Like I said, if you, you know, the point is, you always got to strive to be better than the day you were before, than the day before. You know what I'm saying? This is all stuff that you guys have heard before, man. But at the end of the day, like, you actually got to put your, it's just like walking, man. You got to put one foot in front of the other, man, and just do it. You know, it's like you learned to walk when you was younger, man. You got to learn to do the same thing as you got older, man. Nothing changed. You just got to learn how to do it. Put one foot in front of the other, and just make shit happen, man. At the end of the day, that's all it is. But yeah, man, I think that's gonna be it for this one. Again, like I said, if you are in the Cocoa Beach, Melbourne, Merritt Island area, man, make sure you let me know. So that way, like I said, we could come out, you know, do a dope feature, or just meet, you know, so we could just do a small little meet and greet, whatever the case. But yeah, man, it'll be dope, man. So let me know if you guys are in the area, man, and I'll definitely come out and show some love, man, for sure. Anyway, other than that, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know I got a lot of things coming, man. As soon as I touch back down in Tampa, I got a lot of things I'm going to be hitting up. I'm going to be picking up Christine. As you guys seen, man, I dropped her off at Unique Rides, man. So I'll be picking up Christine, so we can show you what we did with her. And like I said, we got more things coming, man. It never stops at the end of the day. So make sure you guys stay tuned, man. Like, comment, hit that notification. Like, comment, subscribe, and then make sure you hit that notification bell. Also, share these videos, man. Make sure you guys share with everybody, man. So that way we could keep spreading the love and positivity, man, for anybody who needs to hear this stuff or see this stuff at the end of the day. Like I said, I'm normally not a big you know, speaker as far as motivational speaker and things like that. But hopefully my actions speak louder than words. They always say actions speak louder than words anyway. So hopefully the actions behind everything speak louder than the words actually coming out of my mouth, man. Because I can talk about it, I can say it all day long, but at the end of the day, if I'm not actually doing it, or you're not seeing it, it really don't matter. So, like I said, I'm not a big time speech person, but hopefully, like I said, the actions speak louder than words, man, at the end of the day. And I tell you that, man, you guys can see behind everything, man, I drop, you know, videos and this and that, whatever, almost every single day, man. The only time I don't drop a video is because I chose not to drop a video. I mean, I got the videos already loaded, ready to go. I just didn't schedule it to come out that day, and I scheduled to come out the next day. And that's only because, you know, I'm just trying to play around with the algorithms and things like that, man. That's it, man. It's as anybody will tell you, man, that does YouTube, you know, the algorithm is a beast. So, you know, I was just trying to figure it out, man. Get the algorithm a little break, see if that, you know, whatever, you know, if that helps anything or whatever, man. I don't know. So I'll just try to play around with it. That's the only reason why I dropped that day. It's not because I don't got a video. It's because I just didn't. It's literally locked and loaded. I just did it, scheduled it to come out that day. I'm waiting for the next day or the day after that. Like I said, just trying to play around with it a little bit, man. Seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work, seeing like that, little things like that, man. But anyway, other than that, again, man, like, comment, subscribe, of course, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to share, man. Share with everybody, your family, your mammy, your pappy, your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, you know what I'm saying? Tu primo, tu prima, tu tío, tu tía, tu mamá, tu papá, everybody, man. Yeah, of course, I haven't said it in a long time, but we bilingual on this channel, for sure, man. If you guys don't know, I am 100% Panamanian. Both my mother and my father are both Panamanian, man. Actually, Spanish was my first language up until I was about 4 years old, 5 years old, about 4 years old maybe. I didn't speak a lick of English. Then I learned English as I, you know, got outside and started playing with friends and going to school and things like that, man. But anyway, other than that, enough about me, man. That's all I got for today. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Then make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, like I always say. All right, man. And you guys know I'm your boy, Fatkat. And of course, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. Later.